Guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. This video I want to give you some examples regarding square roots practice, and we have some mixed types of questions. First example is 4 root 16 times negative root 18. So as you see here, the answer is going to be 4 root 6, not 16, 4 root 6. We have 4 root 6, and here negative root 18, I can change it to root 2 times root 9. Root 9 times root 2, and then root 9 is 3. So we have 4 root 6 times negative 3 root 2. Then it makes it to 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Root 6 times root 2 is going to be root 12. Which is going to be negative 12 root 4 root 3. It's going to be negative 24 root 3. Next example is negative 5 plus root 7 times 6 plus root 21. Answer is negative 5 times 6 is negative 30. Negative 5 times root 21. Then root 7 times 6 is going to be 6 root 7. And then root 7 times root 21. So here we have negative 30 minus 5 root 21 plus 6 root 7 plus root 7 times root 21 is root 3 times root 7. So it's going to be 7 root 3. And that's pretty much the final answer. We cannot simplify it more than that. So that's the final answer. Next example. We have negative 4 root 2 times 2 root 18. Answer is negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Root 2 times root 18 is root 36. And root 36 is 6. So 6 times negative 8 is negative 48. Next example, we have negative 5 root 7 times 6 root 21. Answer is negative 5 times 6, negative 30. Root 7 times root 21 is root 7 times root 3. So it's going to be negative 30 times 7 times root 3. So it's going to be negative 210 root 3. Next example. Negative 4 root 2 times 2 root 18. Which is going to be negative 8 root 36. It's going to be negative 48. Next example, we have root 35y cubed times root 7y cubed. Answer is 35 is 7 times 5. So I write it as root 7, root 5, root 7. Then we have root y cubed, root y cubed. So root 7 times root 7 is going to be 7. Root y cubed is going to be y cubed. And then you have root 5. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.